So now it's day number 13, and yesterday, of course, we had a couple more complications. We did get another row of the wall blocks on here, and we got pavers laid over here by the door, and we got our drain pipe in over this way, and then we started laying pavers down through here for the walkway. And as we got here to the end, we just have a little bit left here to lay here and maybe over there in the corner. The problem is, pavers we had quite a few blems and some broken pieces and some scuffed up parts. So I tried to go and get some other pavers. Unfortunately, they're on back order. So I don't have much of a choice right now. This bid was real tight in the sense that we had just almost exactly the right amount of square footage we needed to complete the project. Since we have some pavers that are not in great shape, then we're going to have to figure out something for here, because it could be a while before we can get matching pavers back in to finish this up, unfortunately. So it kind of halted our progress till I figured that out. So we do have a plan to get this thing finished. I'd like to get this whole paver surface finished and all the cuts done today. That way the only thing that's left on this project is going to be some site work, some landscape related stuff, cleaning up the site, and doing some of our landscaping related tasks like that. So we're going to get going on this. I'm hoping that we get all the rest of the pavers laid today best that we can, and then I'll give you an update here very soon.